What's up, guys? So on the 2020 Freightliner, you're gonna take off, there's a screw here, screw down here, another screw here. These are what the screws look like, and for that one you will need a T25, I think it is. Yeah, so you need a T25 bit. All right, this one has a hole in the middle because it's a security screw bit for the security screws, but it does work with this. All right, so you're gonna take those three out, cover's gonna come out, move it to the side, get it out of the way, and then here is where the filter is gonna be. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 up here. All right, and those are a T20. Okay, so those are a T20. All right, and that's for these screws. All right, so again, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 up here. Okay, and then that will allow this cover to come out. So you can either unplug this or just carefully pop off the cover. All right, that's right here. You can unplug that and move it out of the way, or just move this out of the way and be careful with it. Then you'll locate your filter, which is right here. All right, as you can see, it's disgusting. Now, most important, remember to check for the airflow. You'll see the arrow pointing in that way. Okay, here's the blower motor, and it blows the air that way. So you want to remember that, because when you get your new filter, you're going to want to put the filter in the same way. So you see airflow. All right, it shows the arrow. So it's going to go like this. Okay, as you can see, this one's disgusting inside. So you'll just want to pinch down and pull it out, and try not to shake it up too much while it's in the cab. And it's disgusting. All right, you can see the difference. All right, and then again, you just want to put it back in the same way. Now you can look inside. If there's a bunch of dust and stuff, you can blow it out. I do have a blower, and you want to make sure that the coils are not like clogged up and dirty. If they are, you want to clean it. So let's put this back. You just push it back in like this. You squeeze it like a sponge, and just pop it right back in place. Okay, and that's it. And then you want to make sure that the airflow is facing inwards that way. And then there's the new, there's the old. Disgusting. All right, we'll put that in the box and get rid of it. And then again, now you'll put the cover back in. All right, make sure that that sensor goes in there, and then it goes back like that. All right, now also they do have a rubber ring that goes around the frame. If yours is old and bad, like that bottom ring right there, all right, that rubber ring, you can change it. If it's no good, you can just change it, or you can just change it with the kit. But in this video, I am going to just put it back so I can show you how it goes. And then you would just basically reverse the steps. So you put the screws in here, tighten up the screws all the way around, okay, which are these screws here. All right, there should be 6. Then the cover, I'll just put back in place like that. All right, it's gonna line up with that there. And then you put the screw back here, the other screw right here, and one more screw up here. And that's it, you're done. All right, so I'm gonna, because I need 2 hands and I'm recording with my phone, I'm gonna take this cover back out and replace the rubber seal, which is right here. All right, little rubber gasket. All right, so that's it. Hopefully this helps you on changing your own. This will help you as well with the air conditioner. If the air conditioner is, like, you blow it, when you turn the AC on and it blows, if it's not blowing out strong, it could be that that filter is just dirty and clogged, and it's not letting the airflow go through pretty good. All right, so once you change that, the air conditioner will feel much better. It will feel colder. And that's it. So again, I hope that helps. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.